Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez from Masagri Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 11 hanggang March 17 for the sign up, Virgo. So Virgo, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagot for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nisagap. And because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages and advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Virgo? So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, tunghayan at bubulabogin natin yung angel spirit. Please give me an information po. So there's a Queen of Pentacles, just being practical, no? Maging practical kapag dating sa finances. Maging mature ka na how to balance and control your money. And of course, your business, your negosyo, your trabaho. And this is something that is of sort of the breakthrough, no? Unti-unti ka nang magtatagumpay. Unti-unti mo nang mabubuksan ng kaisipan mo sa pagliwanag, no, ng kaisipan pagdating sa negosyo, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng idea, no? Kumbaga kung ano ba talagang gusto mong gawin, anong negosyo ang bubuksan mo, or anong business ang bubuksan mo or bubuuin mo. And this is the Three of Wands. So waiting for a ship, no? Naghihintay ka rin ng result or something, document papers, no? Baka may bala ka rin mga ibang bansa dito. Let's see, what is additional messages? And there is a Ten of Wands, something burden, no? Maaring matatapos sa yung mga obligasyon, responsibilidad. At there's a relocation ako na nakita dito na maaring magre-relocate ka, no? Maaring lilipat ka ng bahay, lilipat ka ng trabaho. And there's a Six of Swords with the transition. Unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. No, ito yung kumbaga pag-alis mo sa toxic environment. Let's see additional messages. And there's the Sun card. Wow. There is something pure positive outcome. No, magiging maganda at magiging maayos ang kalalabasan ng iyong journey, no, or your trouble. There's something that Seven of Wands that you are being protected, protection at pangalagaan mo. Kung ano yung nagbibigay ng resource of income sa'yo. And this is the Seven of Pentacles, harvest moment. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na hinintay mo, maaaring ito na yung resulta. Ito na yung kabayaran at ito na yung pinaghirapan mo. There's a Three of Wands. Represent what? Represent with a Knight of Wands. There's something slowly but surely. No? Mabagal man ito pero paparating pa rin, no? At makukuha mo pa rin to. Itong travel na to, itong opportunities na to. There's the Ten of Wands. Represent with the Ten of something happiness. Magiging masaya ka at the end of the time. Magiging maligaya ka dito at matatapos na yung mga hinaing mo, problema. There is the Six of Swords. Represent what? Represent with the Five of Swords. So there ka rin ng self-sabotage that because of your actions, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan umalis ka dyan, kung mawala ka dyan. Huwag ka na nagbibigay ng impormasyon na lilipat ka, huwag ka na nagbibigay ng impormasyon na aalis ka dyan. Now, let's see what is the Sun card. Represent what? There is the Kingman, guys, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, guys, na babaguhin na dito yung ano mo. No, ang ikot ng kapalaran sa'yo, magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito. No, parang matatapos na yung nangyayaring delays, cancellations. No, kasi babaguhin mo na yung pananaw mo na hindi ka na nag-share ng information. There's an evil eye. No, may evil eye ako nakalakit na talagang igitera. There is a Queen of Pentacles, because the Seven of Wands. Represent with the Knight of Wands. So something resilience, no? Kailangan maging tahimik ka. No, hindi ka dapat magiging vocal, no, sa lahat ng impormasyon. Kaya kailangan magtiyaga ka sa ginagawa mo, proteksyonan mo kung ano yung bagay na meron ka. Let's see what is the Ace of Swords, the Seven of Pentacles. Reference with the King of Swords. There's a stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na walang kaugnayan sa'yo, yung mga bagay na hindi makakatulong sa'yo. And there's a Six of Cups, no? Meron kang hinihintay na umuwi. There's a possible na uuwi na siya. And there's a Nine of Pentacles with a Blossom. Sa mga bandas, maaaring gumanda na ang iyong finances. Maaaring masusungkit mo na to sa paglipat mo ng trabaho, paglipat mo ng bahay, paglipat mo ng kung ano man yan, no, nalilipatan mo, magiging maganda na ang iyong sitwasyon. Let's see what is the Six of Swords, because that Five of Swords. Reference with the Two of Swords, there's a decision. Kailangan mo lang magkaroon ng desisyon. No, huwag kang matakot, huwag kang mangamba. Kailangan mong tapusin na yan, no, yung kaguluhan dyan sa utak mo. What is the Sun card, because the Hangman? Represent with the Strength card, confident, no, lakas mo ng loob mo. Natatakot ka kasi na baka magkamali ka ng desisyon, no, baka hindi mag-work, gano'n, natatakot ka, kailangan mong ilaban yan. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Eight of Pentacles. Mag-focus ka sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, sa ginagawa mo. And there's the Queen of Swords or something, a bigger picture. Lagi mong titingnan yun magiging posibilidad ng kalalabasan ng action mo. There's the Four of Pentacles with the saving money, protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo kung naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. Let's see, what is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, represent with the Two of Wands, choices. Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. There's a need of customer, something moving on or getting away from the situation. Unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa hindi magandang sitwasyon na magdadala sa ng pangmatagalang sitwasyon. There's something long-term or financial security. There's something na pangmatagalan, guys. Piliin mo na umalis dyan dahil sa salilipatan mo magiging maganda yung sitwasyon mo. Now, pagdating sa love life, let's see. So, there is something, the Six of Wands. So, there is a victory. And there's a king. Oh my God, there's a devoted for the person. Mahal na mahal ka ng person mo. Or some of you guys, no, makikilala mo tong tao na to, na maaaring there's a secret admirer, no? Hindi pa siya nag-open up sa'yo. One more card, please. And there's a Two of Cups with a partnership. Magkakaroon talaga kayo ng partnership. No, magkakaroon kayo ng level of commitment dito. Let's see. What is additional messages about sa health? Sa health mo, there's a Hermit card. So, there's a spiritual, no, enlightenment. And this is a Queen of Cups with a healing. Magkakaroon ka ng emotional healing. Mawawala na yung stress mo. There's a Four of Cups na pinag-iisipan mo na yung bawat action mo. Hindi ka na nadadala ng iyong emosyon. It's good. No? Or wag ka na padadala ng iyong emosyon. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? For a Yin and Yang Oracle card represent with the comfort zone. No, makakalaya ka na dito sa comfort zone na to, sa kinakatakutan mo, sa pinangangambahan mo. There's a storm warning, no? May pagsubok, may unos na darating sa'yo at unti-unti rin itong dadaloy at unti-unti rin itong matatapos. What is the magical fairy messages represent what? And there is a new career. No, magkakaroon ka din ng bagong career dito. And this is something connect with the nature. So see, kailangan mong mag-unwind. No, kailangan pumunta ng ibang lugar para mag-refresh yung utak mo. What is the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent with an crystal vision na unti-unti mo na makikita yung magiging outcome or possibilities ng mangyayari, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka dito ng predictions. And there's a creativity, no? There's something wonderful, no? Na magiging maganda na ang kalalabasan nito at magiging makulay na ang mundo na gagalawan mo. There's a retreat. Ibig sabihin dito, makakawala ka na sa mundong puno ng problema. There's a retreat from disconnect from the world. Ganon. Let's see what is the synchronicities for Romance Angels for a Mystic Love Oracle deck. And of course, there is something unexpected shift all of the sudden. Some of you guys know may bigla ang pagbabago pagdating sa love life. And there's something hook up, one night stand. Mag-ingat ka, baka ma-one night stand ka. And there's a spiritual awakening. No? Mayroon ditong magkakaroon ka ng realization sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. So let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. Shield yourself. So sige, kailangan mo proteksyonan yung sarili mo. And of course, let's see. And there's something eternal love. May everlasting promises talaga, guys. Now, may pangmatagalan talagang dito, love life for you. And this is something, forgive yourself if you've done nothing wrong. Napatawarin mo yung sarili mo, wala ka namang ginawang mali. And take your time to make a decision. Kailangan mo ng oras para makapag-desisyon. Let's see what is an angel's answer. Angel's answer represents a romance. Talagang sa reading mo na to, malaking factor ang pag-ibig. No? There's a romance and there's a wait. No? Worth waiting for. Kailangan mo maghintay and there's a reconsider. Kailangan mo rin consider kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa'yo at nangyayari sa kanya. Kasi magkaiba kayo ng mundo ngayon. No, maaaring nasa ibang bansa siya, maaaring nandito ka sa local or nandun siya sa local, nandito ka sa international. So let's see what is a romance angel represent what. And there's a trust. So kailangan mo magtiwala. No, magtiwala, maniwala, and this is calling your soulmate. No, tinatawagan ng yung soulmate dito, guys. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a forgiveness. No, kailangan mo ng kapatawaran, kailangan mo ng bitawan yon, bigat na nararamdaman mo. And there's a change. No, unti-unti nang mababago lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. At unti-unti na siyang dadaloy. What is additional messages? And golden children, there's a rare gift. No, meron kang, kumbaga may gift sa'yo ang ating Panginoon na hindi, parang siya, bihira. No, bihira at limitan lang sa tao na binibigyan niya ng ganito kaalaman. And this something all path lead home. So there's something in intuition. Binibigyan ka talaga ng kaalaman about sa spirituality. No, para makita yung magiging mangyayari. Magkakaroon ka ng prediction, nasa sense ko dito. Magkakaroon ka ng prediction. And there's a rejections. No, marunong ka mag-reject ng mga bullies or negative sa paligid mo. No, and there's something bittersweet. No, may pait at tamis ng tagumpay. So let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. And expect the miracle, no? Kumbaga mag-expect ka ng mga himala and forgiveness seal. So ibig sabihin dito, hihilom yan kapag nagpatawad ka, no? Kung binigyan mo ng kapayapaan at kalayaan ng iyong isipan at ang iyong damdamin. And there's a problem solving, no? Masusolusyon na ng mga problema mo. And of course, enjoy your life from the fullest. For the full moon, and there's a dancing with a movement. No, magkakaroon ng changes, flow, no, and of course, paggalaw with the movement, at unti-unti mo talaga masusolusyonan, resolution. Additional messages, and there's a practice, enhance your ability and polish your skill, no, kailangan mong palawigin ang kaalaman at kakayanan mo dito, and there's something study, kailangan mong matutunan yung mga bagay o lessons sa buhay mo, at yung career na tatahakin mo. For the energy represent what? And there's a door to the romance. No, bukas ang pintuan talaga pagdating sa romantic. And there's a contract. No, there's a signing contract, international or something trabaho, or either there's a marriage contract, no, travel contract, ganon, or there's something a business contract. What is the Montology represent what? For Montology, represent, guys, with bring love in the situation. Mahalin mo kung ano yung sitwasyon na meron ka. Enjoyin mo lang yan. And conclusion are within reach. Tama ka ng hinala. What is the Jesus loving code said? What is the Jesus loving code said? Angel Spirit Guides. Peace be with you as my Father said me. So, bigyan mo ng kapayapaan at kalayaan ng iyong isipan, gaya ng binigay ng ating Panginoon ng ating Ama na sa langit. What is the angel's number represent what? Angel's number represent what? Angel's number, give me an information pa. Oh my God, there's a 0404. Slow down. No, kailangan mo maging mahinahon, magdahan-dahan lang. Pay close attention to the people in your life now. Your surroundings and your physical health. Don't freak out. It's just a warning to be careful and awake to avoid any further issues. Communicate clear and keep healthy boundaries. So see, diba? Dahan-dahan lang, huwag ka masyadong magmadali. Pansinin mo, pakiramdaman mo yung nangyayari behind your back. Kailangan mong pakawalan bitawan, no, yung mga toxic and negative sa paligid mo. At doon mo makikita na unti-unting gaganda ang takbo at ikot ng kapalaran para sa iyo. What is the messages of life? Represent what? Messages of life represent discovering. No, at dito mo matutuklasan lahat-lahat. Today, I release my old beliefs, convictions, and preconceived notions in their place. I seek new ideas, innovation, and endless possibilities. I am adaptable. I am able to see beyond my previous limitations and discover greater world inside me. So, see? Unti-unti mo itong matutuklasan lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo at unti-unti mong maa-adapt sa sarili mo yung mga nangyayari sa'yo in a good way, in a good matter, no? Na makakatulong para sa'yo na pagyabungin yung sarili mo, na para palawakin ang kaalaman mo at ang iyong isipan sa lahat na nangyayari sa kasalukuyan. Na kailangan mo nang baguhin, kailangan mo maging mahinahon, kailangan mong wakasan at alisin yung nagbibigay negatibo na nagsasanhi ng blockages kaya hindi tuloy-tuloy ang pasok ng kapalaran, magandang kapalaran sa'yo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of March 11 hanggang March 17 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!